The last example under finding the first term of an AP is example 5 that says an arithmetic progression has 20 terms whose sum is 440. If the common difference is -2, determine the first term. The formula for getting the sum is Sn equals to n out of 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d close. What do we have in the question? We have the number of terms 20. So our number of terms is given as 20 and the sum of these terms is 440. So the sum of the 20 terms is 440 and then the common difference d is -2. Determine the first term a, that is what the question wants. So we simply substitute for what we have. So we shall have the sum n is 20 equals to n, which is the number of terms, it is 20 over 2 into 2a plus n 20 minus 1 times the common difference -2. Then you close. And then we operate. What is the sum of the first 20 terms? 440. So we say 440 equals to 10 into 2a plus, what is 20 minus 1? 19. 19 times -2, -38. Always use a calculator. By the way, I encourage you, each time you come to learn on this platform, have a calculator, have your book and your pen. You follow the solution and then you copy. After that, go to the next example, try it out somewhere else, then you come and follow, and after make your notes. That makes your learning much simpler, easier and effective. Alright, that was just an encouragement for you. Getting back, we divide both sides by 10 because we are looking for a, both sides by 10. What is 440 divided by 10? That is 44. So 44 equals to this 10 and that 10 cancel. So we shall have 2a. Positive times negative, we get -38. So it becomes a minus. Then we take out -38 to the other side of the equation. It becomes positive. So 44 plus 38 equals to 2a. Press your calculator. 44 plus 38, 82. Therefore 82 equals to 2a. Now we divide both sides by 2. 82 divided by 2, we get 41. So 41 equals to our first term a. Therefore, for this question, the first term a is 41. So 41 is the first term of an AP with 20 terms whose sum is 440 and a common difference of -2. So this is the last example when we are looking at how we can find the first term of an AP when we are given the sum of a given number of terms in the question. The next series of videos will be how do we find the common difference when we are given the sum of n terms and the first term. So stay with us and sharpen your logical analysis of series and sequences. Otherwise, I am your tutor and the program is Vision Plus.